Look at this dinosaur. There's the supply side. Here's the return. I only see two coming in there. Feel what's over here. A lot of moisture down here. That's interesting. And that's the before. We can get it out, we'll have it after. Okay, the old dinosaur monster furnace is gone. Here's our new high efficiency, day and night. There's not much room here. I'm trying to squeeze around so you guys can see it. There is that. Here's our new filter slot. New return plenums to replace the old janky ones. Got running a new piece of track pipe up and over. A new shut-off valve. And of course our new venting. And that's a wrap on this one.